Hello student, today we are going to discuss about heredity environment unit 4. So let us all look to what is heredity and environment. Each individual we all know that has a different pattern of behavior and personality. Every individual we have a different pattern of behavior and personality, and these differences is seen due to the influence of environment and heredity. And heredity and environment plays an important role in the development of our personality and other qualities that we possess as human beings. So no person can be born without heredity, and genes cannot develop without proper environment. So an individual heredity is present since the moment of conception, and some environmental conditions also start influencing him or her from this very stage. Okay, let us all look into the meaning of heredity. So the word heredity has been derived from the Latin word hereditas, which means capital, which a child gets from his or her parents as inheritance. Heredity is the sum total of inborn individual traits. Heredity also refers to the transmission by the parents to their offspring of certain biological and physiological characteristics. It is also transmission of trait from parents to offspring, and heredity may be defined as what one gets from his ancestral stock through his parents. And heredity consists of all the structure, physical characteristic, functions and capacity derived from parents at the ancestor or species. There are three types of heredity: biological heredity, mental heredity, and social heredity. So let us look into biological heredity. So it is a general observation that cow begets cow, horse begets horse, and human beget human being. There is no exception to this rule. And then again, in the same, the brother and sister bear resemblance to the parents as regard the physical characteristic such as size, from appearance, color of the skin, color of the eyes, and strand of muscle, and so on. So identical twins resemble each other at birth in every aspect, and fraternal twins resemble in majority of the traits. Siblings resemble in many characteristics. So according to this law, as human we beget human beings, and as animals beget animals. So here it is about a biological heredity. Now let us look into the mental heredity. Beside the physical characteristic, there are many mental characteristics are inherited. We inherit a mental characteristic from our parents. So every child at birth instinctively sucks, breathes, laugh, cries, and move the limbs. So all these instincts are inherited. Whatever the child does, she inherits from his parents or her parents. And intelligence also seem to be inherited, because in the number of the cases, the intellectual caliber of children resemble that of their parents. For example, a parent is very intelligent, the child will inherit that. So that is a simple example. Now some tendency to commit crime also are reported to be inherited, as evidenced by case studies. Now let us look into social heredity. Social heredity is the sum total of the past achievement of more than one generation. So a form of educational environment that affect more than a single generation. And here the social heredity is very important, and some of the importance of social heredity is so great that without it man would be quite powerless in spite of his biological good traits of intelligence. And parents teachers that should be that each child is surrounded with a proper environment so that he or she might benefit himself by acquiring the social heritage which has been coming down for ages.